What's up, everybody? Today I'm showing you how to recruit villagers to your squad. Let's jump in. The first step, you gotta find a villager. You'll see them wandering the world, usually near forests or wide open spaces. Just walk up and start a conversation. If they're recruitable, you'll see an option to invite them, but they won't join just yet. There's one key thing you need first. You need to build a village square. There is no village without a village square. This is the heart of your village. Open your build menu and craft one using wood. Once it's placed, your village is officially open for business. Now go back to that villager and talk to them again. And this time, they'll join up. Just like that, you're part of the team. A quick tip is you need to build a bed for every villager you recruit. If there's no bed, they might just bounce. Keep your village cozy. And that's how you recruit a village in LEGO Fortnite. If this helped you out, drop a like, hit that sub, and I'll catch you in the next one with more elite LEGO Fortnite tips.